was meeting lots of makers, right, because I'd started Make Magazine. And I thought they were really interesting people, and we don't get to meet them and talk to them about what they do.
This is so exciting. It's so much fun. All these young people who are passionate and creative, and so many people that are interested. There was a line outside when I came in this morning, a very long line, and that's great news. That's great news.
Hello everyone, this is May from Fab Lab New Cairo. Fab Lab is about tinkering, it's about exploring, and it's about making. And here in Egypt, our community is so diverse. Here in the lab, you can find all sorts of activities. You can find formula cards, you can find artistic things, you can find educational things. So we will be definitely waiting for you. Fab 15 Egypt.
Africa has always been the cradle of civilization, and with civilization it brought making in as an essential component for civilization, and it would be very nice to bring the Fab conference back to that element.
So we launched a mobile Fab Lab initiative last year, in December of last year, and we branded it Fab Lab on Wheels. And the idea is to provide the digital fabrication or access to digital fabrication facilities in the less privileged areas, less privileged cities, let's say, outside of Cairo, so in Upper Egypt, which is the southern part of Egypt. So riding on that, we have another initiative to use the digital fabrication facilities that we have for the benefit of people with disabilities. So bringing people with disabilities together with makers and hackers and getting them involved in the design of products that they would actually use. We feel that the Fab 15 conference in Cairo will not only bring in the maker community from outside of Egypt and get them to interact with the local community here, but we also feel that the sharing of knowledge and the experience will actually help this community develop and push this initiative forward to new heights.
Being part of two initiatives like Enable or Ultrabionics that mainly use digital fabrication to make assistive devices, we believe in digital fabrication, and we believe it could be used to enable people's life all over the world. And
hope to see you in Egypt, Fab 15.
We are Big Hero 6 Egyptian robotics team.
We built the first robot that prepares cotton candy in the world.
We're trying to establish an Egyptian R&D unit, and we support Fab 15 to be hosted in Egypt.
6 years ago, no one would have imagined using 3D printers in Egypt. Now thousands are using digital fabrication in their daily lives, and even dozens of startups are manufacturing and exporting 3D printers all over the world. The more Fab Labs and maker spaces are being established in Egypt every day, the more our community's culture and mindset is being reshaped. We believe that the Fab culture might be the only way to get Egypt and the region back on track, and Fab 15 will be our next big step. Fab 15 Egypt.
So you know they should be bringing Fab 15 to Egypt, right? Because basically this is the place where people started making almost everything.
Bienvenidos a Fab 15 en Egipto. Bienvenidos a Fab 15 en Egipto.
Bienvenidos a Fab 15 en Egipto.
Bienvenidos a Fab 15 en Egipto.
Fab 15 Egypt!
Fab 15 Egypt!